Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wanted to create your own animated videos but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between Plotagon Story and other popular animation apps. Which one should you choose for your next project? Let's find out. Section 1. What is Plotagon Story? First things first, let's talk about Plotagon Story. This app is known for its easy-to-use platform that allows anyone to create animated videos with little to no animation experience. With Plotagon, you can create characters, write dialogues, and watch everything come to life. It's simple, intuitive, and really fun to use. You don't need to be a professional animator to make a great story. You just pick your characters, set the scene, and let the app handle the animation. And guess what? You can even customize your characters with different clothes, hairstyles, and accessories. It's like building your own little animated world. Section 2. Key features of Plotagon Story. Now, let's take a look at some of Plotagon's key features. 1. Simple animation. You type the dialogue, and the characters act it out. 2. Voice recording. You can record your own voice or use text-to-speech. 3. Customization. You can personalize characters, scenes, and props. 4. Scenes and backdrops. Choose from a variety of pre-made backgrounds or create your own. 5. Accessibility. Plotagon is great for beginners, students, or anyone looking to create quick and simple animations without a steep learning curve. But is Plotagon the best choice? Let's see how it compares with other animation apps. Section 3. Plotagon versus other animation apps. Let's break down Plotagon's strengths and weaknesses against other animation tools. 1. Toon Boom. Toon Boom is an industry-standard animation tool used by professionals in TV shows and movies. Unlike Plotagon, Toon Boom offers hand-drawn animation, advanced rigging, and extensive tools for creating high-quality, frame-by-frame animation. The learning curve, though, is much steeper, and it can be overwhelming for beginners. Plotagon's advantage. Plotagon is far easier to pick up. If you're not looking to dive into complex tools and just want to tell a quick animated story, Plotagon wins this round. 2. Blender. Blender is an open-source powerhouse known for 3D modeling and animation. It's used in everything from video games to movies. However, creating animation in Blender takes quite a bit of time to learn. There's a reason people dedicate years to mastering it. Plotagon's advantage. Plotagon's simplicity is its biggest advantage. While Blender can create stunning animations, it requires a lot of technical knowledge and practice. Plotagon allows you to make animations much faster and with a lot less effort. 3. Vyond. Vyond is another popular tool for creating animated videos. It's web-based and offers a ton of templates, characters, and props. It's perfect for creating business presentations, explainer videos, or social media content. But Vyond can be quite pricey, especially for a hobbyist. Plotagon's advantage. Plotagon is a lot more affordable, with a free version available and a reasonably priced premium option. Plus, the animation style in Plotagon feels more fun and creative, making it ideal for storytelling. If you want something easy and cost-effective, Plotagon could be the better choice. Section 4. Which one should you choose? So, which animation app should you go for? If you're just getting started with animation and want a simple, fun way to create stories, Plotagon Story is perfect for you. It's great for beginners, educators, or anyone who wants to create quick, engaging animations without a steep learning curve. If you're aiming for high-level, professional animation, tools like Toon Boom, Blender, or Vyond might be more suitable. But remember, those apps require more time and dedication to master. In the end, it all comes down to your needs and experience level. Plotagon is fantastic for anyone looking to quickly bring their stories to life with minimal effort. It's user-friendly, cost-effective, and perfect for creating engaging, animated content with ease. So, what do you think? Have you used Plotagon Story before, or do you prefer another app? Let me know in the comments below. And, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.